Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full review of the Joovy Caboose RS with an extra seat, and I'll be sharing my thoughts on how it works for me and my twins. So check it out. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the algorithm, and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload something new. I've had the Caboose for a little bit over 3 weeks now, and I've taken it out everywhere with the twins just to test out its capabilities and ease of use. Before I continue, I feel like I really need to stress that the Caboose is on the larger side of double strollers, and it's something you should consider when you're going traveling or if you're going out to restaurants. That being said, let's get started. Joovy markets the Caboose as a luxury double stroller designed to be a great option to fit your kiddos no matter what the age range because of its 16 possible configurations and its ability to tackle any terrain with its large rear wheels. One thing I like a lot about the Caboose RS is this paddle locking and unlocking system. I like it a lot better than I like the rocker that a lot of companies tend to use. I feel like it gives me more peace of mind knowing that I can just, have that visual indicator that lets me know that my kids aren't going to roll down a hill or something like that. Also, I'm one of those parents who likes to double check, triple check just to make sure because, instead of having one kid, I got 2 kids in the thing, and it just gives me peace of mind. This stroller also comes with one of the biggest shades I've ever seen on the stroller. It's easy to install and it folds all the way to the front or to the rear when not in use. It also has a zipper down the middle allowing you to change the configuration to fit the child or whatever kind of coverage you need, maybe for both kids or just for one. This has come in handy a lot in Texas. We've been over 100 degrees for what seems like forever, and just having that kind of shade really helps with the kids. The reclinable seats are a plus. It allows you to tilt the seats in 3 different configurations, back, back, and more back. This comes in handy when going to grocery stores or long walks. You're able to tilt the seat back with one hand and let those babies be comfortable. Also, the storage underneath is generous. It's not the easiest to access, but with that being said, I have full confidence that my items stored below aren't going anywhere. They're secure. For the items that need quick access, there's attachment that can hold drinks, keys, and other small items. Think of it like a fanny pack for the Caboose. When it's time to pack up your double stroller, you find peace of mind knowing that it's easy as flipping up and pushing a button with one hand to collapse it to its folded dimensions. I'm going to list those up here, making it easy to roll around and taking up minimum space. This is the smallest the Caboose will store, and it's something that must be considered when purchasing its 30-pound frame because it may not fit in smaller model vehicles. I drive a Kia Telluride. It's a 3rd row SUV, mid-size, the kind every parent drives. And still, I have to take off one of the tires in the rear just so I can get the gate shut. This doesn't take up any extra time, but the problem is once I have the stroller loaded, I don't have any room for groceries. Just keep that in mind when you decide to buy this. Aside from its large frame, the Caboose RS by Joovy is a great choice for families with 2 kiddos. For me personally, my twins have enjoyed it. Other than the occasional kick in the back of each other's chairs, they love it. It's a little long. I can't stress that enough. About the size is probably the biggest thing that's going to be a determinant on whether it works for you or not. What's up, guys? Sorry for interrupting your video. This is Future Eric here, and as I was editing the video, I realized I forgot probably one of the most important parts of a review. It's the price. So let me break it down before I go any further. You really end up ordering 2 parts. The first part is going to be the main body of the Caboose. It's going to have just a little bench seat for a kid if they want to stand or sit. And what you end up paying extra for is going to be the rear seat. So the Caboose by itself is going to come in at $699.99. So we're just going to round it up to $700. For the extra seat, the rear seat, you're going to end up paying another $52. That's $51.99 on the website. That doesn't include tax or shipping or any of that other stuff that you're going to have to pay for. But I really feel like I should have added that in the video. So here we are. Back to your normal programming. Also, other double strollers on the market, they come, like stacked, where one's higher than the other. Personally, I think it's cool, but that's not my favorite because it makes it a little hard for me to be able to see both kids at the same time. I normally have to turn the stroller or really lean over the side to really check out what the other kiddo's doing. But this one reaches all my like check marks on what I want from a double stroller. It could use a little extra storage too. But outside of that, it's a great choice. Now I want to hear what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Caboose. Alright guys, I'm Eric Lee. We out.